Hello friends, today I will discuss about the examination of Unified Council NSTSE, that means National Level Talent Search Examination for Class 1 and Class 2. How to prepare for the examination, what books are required. You may get books from Amazon and from Brain Mapping Academy site. You should know that from Brain Mapping Academy site you can get the previous year question banks, but which are not available in Amazon, or I cannot find this in Amazon. Now first, for class 1, this book is required first. BMS Talent and Olympiad Examination Resource Book, Class 1, General Science. I am showing the inside of the book. All informations regarding NSTSE and UIM, that means Unified Council Mathematics Olympiad, is given here. First, the allocation of marks. For class 1, mathematics 15 marks and general science 25 marks, and for class 2, mathematics 20 marks and general science 30 marks. Now I am showing you the syllabus or the contents of the book. Living and non-living things, plant life, animal life, human body, air, water and weather, safety and first aid, our universe, model test paper, key and explanation. The book is not colorful. First, in each chapter, first there is synopsis of some theoretical part, then there are questions, answer keys are available, some crossword puzzles, some coloring activity, etc. are given for the child's interest. This type of coloring activity. Now I am showing you the book for class 2. Same book, BMS Talent and Olympiad Examination Resource Book, Class 2, General Science. Available in Amazon and in BMA site, Brain Mapping Academy site. The syllabus or the contents: living and non-living thing, plant life, animal life, human body, air, water and weather, rock and minerals, our universe, safety and first aid, housing and clothing, model test paper, key and explanation. Black and white book, but some crossword puzzles and interesting fun activities are here. Now, as the examination also contains mathematical part, the child should go through this mathematics book, both available for both class 1 and class 2. I am showing you the book for class 2. Or if the child can go through the 8-year questions, this mathematics portion is covered in that book. I am showing you the contents for class 2. Numbers, addition and subtraction, multiplication, division, fraction, length, mass and capacity, shapes 2D and 3D, time, money, pictographs, model test paper, hints and key and hints for select questions. Black and white book. Now this one. This is a model recurring question series for science class 2. Same book is available for class 1 also, but which is not available right now with me, but it's available in Amazon and BMA. There are 20 question papers containing 20 questions each. Mock test paper 1 to 20 and answer keys are given, no explanation. Black and white book. Now I am showing you the previous year question paper. For previous year question paper, there is no book available, only ebook is available. I am showing you the ebook for class 2. For class 1, I cannot find any book. I only found this book for class 2 in BMA, Brain Mapping Academy site. This is NSTSE Class 2 previous year question paper, Unified Council. First, there is mathematical portion, Then questions from general science. Bright colorful book. Now this one book, this is for reasoning. This book is available for class 1 and class 2. If the child can get time, can go through this book. This book is very colorful, interesting, and child can enjoy the book. All the best for NSTSE examination.